Hello, everyone. My name is Yuki, CEO of obniz, and oh, the obniz is a tool for building the IoT system. So, first, how many devices do you have which can connect to the internet? Maybe you have the smartphone and laptop, and maybe you have the Apple Watch. But how many devices you have that cannot connect to the internet? Maybe you have the blood pressure sensor, or maybe you have the ceiling light in your room. So as you feel, some devices are now connected to the internet. So 900 million devices are newly connected to the internet, but only the under 1% devices is online. So this chart shows how many Bluetooth devices in the market. So it shows that almost 3 billion devices has the Bluetooth connectivity, but the Bluetooth cannot connect to the internet. So you need to prepare another device to communicate to these devices. So why people use the Bluetooth? Because of cost efficiency or the battery reason. To communicate these devices, you need to prepare, one is the smartphone. So smartphone has a Bluetooth device, Bluetooth connectivity. So everyone has, but it cannot work 24 hours. So another choice is the edge computers like a Raspberry Pi. So it works 24 hours, but you need to develop more compared to a smartphone application. And you need to manage 24 hours, including this network security. So this is our solution, obniz. Obniz doesn't offer the software development on edge devices. It can be controlled fully from the cloud system. So the software can run on the cloud system. So you can always update and change the software on the cloud system. And we manage it 24 hours. And the processor is microprocessor. So the low-cost hardware compared from the competitors. So our business model is that we sell this hardware and development support and cloud system for services. And this is the major pipeline. So we develop the system integrations and POC and production. The cost is the average of our pipeline. Now, attraction is over 20,000 hardware units already we delivered. This is our major customers, Kajima Corporation. It's a construction company in Japan, and NEC and W, and more companies are using our devices. How we go? Now, we started this project 4 years ago, and now our funding stage is after Series A. And we have customers, and now we are going to expand. One is a cloud source. So we want to develop more cloud system. And now our customer is almost Japanese companies. So we'd like to go to overseas market. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much. I'm so sorry for the trouble of the computer. But are there any questions again? No. For Slido, we don't have any questions yet. So. Oh, thank you.
So the device, the development with these customers is used to connect devices, onto the internet. What is the application? What is it being used by your customers for? For lights or for sensors or for what?
The customer's major use case is healthcare monitoring. For example, the Omron and A&D has the blood pressure machine which can communicate with the smartphones using the Bluetooth. But it's always connect to the, it has the Bluetooth, but the smartphone requires the skills. For example, older person cannot use the smartphones. So if the device is connected to the internet, the user should not control smartphones and any other kind of devices, just measure the blood pressure. Then the data will be sent to the cloud system and people can monitor the persons.
Do I understand that the kind of use case you have is for devices that already have Bluetooth and may have an app, and what you're doing is an emulation of the app with API, so you can tie it into other features and other systems?
Yes. Now, our market strategy is replacing. We are finding the company who are servicing the Bluetooth device and the company who has a Bluetooth cloud system and providing the smartphone application. So we reach these companies and we offer that to replace your smartphone to our device. Then you can provide more customers. So this is our strategy and major use case.
Very much. And other questions? What's your supporting communication protocol with applications?
Okay. Now, so our system is kind of open source. You can see how this system works on GitHub. And the protocol is the very low level, like the microprocessor, for example, Bluetooth and scanning and connecting, and more like the I/O and analog to digital conversion and UART and I2C. These kind of microprocessor level communication can be controlled from the cloud system. So this is the protocols we support.
Okay, maybe we have another question. Is this solution for B2C or B2B with engineering?
Yeah, it's B2B. So, but the technology is very easy to use. So the even the schools are now our customers to teach the children to how to create the robots and other kind of things from the browsers.
Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.